Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is Srihari. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please like and subscribe for more videos about the latest jobs for freshers and AI and tech insights. In today's, I came with the 5 job notifications for freshers. First job notification from the Accenture, second one from Deloitte, third one from Citibank, fourth one Ash Technologies, and fifth one is from Zensar Technologies. So we'll discuss one by one and each and every qualification and education qualification roles and responsibilities. So first job notification from Accenture, customer software engineer, experience 0 to 2 years of experience candidates all can apply for this position. Required skill Python. If you have the good in Python, you can definitely apply for this position. So this is the entire summary about this post, and this is the entire job description for this notification. Please pause this video and read this entire carefully. So roles and responsibilities expected to build knowledge and the support the team, participate in problem solving and discuss it, etc., etc. Then technical skills and the proficiency, must to have the skills proficiency in the Python programming language and strong understand of the object oriented programming oops concept and the software development principles, experience with the version control system and the manage the code based effect. Means if you have the knowledge in the git or git bash, you can apply for this. And qualification 15 years, any bachelor's degree freshers or BE or BTech, everyone can apply for this position. Location is for Pune, guys. This is the additional and more information. So second job notification from Deloitte, associate analyst, executive support, executive assistant support. For this job notification, qualification is for any graduate freshers or an experienced candidate with less than 11 months of experience in the admin assistant role. If you have the less than 11 months, means 5 months, 6 months or 10 months, you can apply for this position. Or if you are from the fresher, you can also apply for this position. Good working knowledge of Microsoft Office like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and SharePoint, etc. If you have the knowledge, you can apply for this position. And the ability to plan and prioritize along with the multitask and the manage own workloads to tight deadlines. So this is the qualification, guys. And work location is from Hyderabad. If you selected for this position, working timing is the 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Every associate are looking for this position only. So if you are good in Microsoft Office and if you are the fresher, you can apply for this position. Okay. Then see, service now and the ESI. This is the entire responsibility, guys. Roles and responsibilities. Please read this carefully and apply for this position. So third notification from Citibank, Java Backend Developer. This is the job overview and this is the job responsibilities, guys. The qualification 0 to 2 years of relevant experience. If you are the fresher or the experience with less than 2 years, you can apply for these positions. Experience in programming or debugging used in the business application, like for example we have city have the applications like. So if you have the experience in program Python, Java or SAP, sorry, Python, Java or R, any C++, any programming language you are in perfect, please apply for this position. The working knowledge of the industrial practice and the standards. See, working knowledge of the programming language, I already discussed about this. Like if you are the good in Python, Java or any C++, any languages, you can definitely apply for this position. If you are the fresher or experienced with less than 2 years, you all candidates please apply for this position. Education qualification, bachelor's degree or university degree or any equivalent experience. And fourth job notification is for Ash Technologies, SAP SD, SAP SD trainee job. If you are the fresher or looking for the sharp SAP jobs, this job is perfect for you. See, if you are the MBA or BTech or any graduate with SAP SD certificate preferred, if you have the SAP FD certificate, this is for preferred for you. And if you are the freshers are in BSc or BCom, any degree, BTech or MBA or any degree candidates can apply for this position, guys. So if you are the fresher or looking for a SAP project, this is perfect for you. Once again, I am telling guys. So read this entire job notification and apply. Then finally is the Zensar. Role is the quality engineer. Location is from Hyderabad. This is the responsibilities and education qualification. Bachelor's degree in computer science, IT or any related fields. Up to 5 years of the manual QA experience candidates can apply. If you are the fresher or 1 year experience or 2 years experience up to 5 years వరకు you can apply for this position. Strong understanding of the testing methodologies, familiar with the defect tracking tools, etc. Basic knowledge of the selenium or playwright. The good communication and the problem solving. These are the qualifications. For this all application links I added in the description. Please go through it and apply these positions. Before applying, please read this entire job notification carefully and apply for this position. If you are don't miss this type of the latest job updates, please like and subscribe our please like and subscribe our channel just now on. Bye. Jai Hind.